Good morning, Central Alabama. Welcome to today's weather briefing. We are on a one-a-day video schedule as Span is out this week on vacation. Here's what I have in today's briefing video. Ridging will expand over the mid-Atlantic states today, and by the afternoon, drier air will move westward from Georgia and the Carolinas. While everyone will have a chance of rain, the eastern half of Central Alabama will only see a few isolated showers and storms, while the western half will see scattered to numerous showers and storms. Highs in the lower to mid-90s. While the weather will be calm on Tuesday, our attention will be focused on the southwestern Gulf of Mexico, as we may see a depression form and bring tropical rainfall to the western and northwestern Gulf Coast. For us, we'll be dry with partly sunny skies and highs in the upper 80s to the lower 90s. Ridging will continue to hold strong over the southeast and will keep our weather calm for Juneteenth. Highs will be in the upper 80s to the lower 90s under partly sunny skies. On Thursday, we'll continue the stretch of dry weather with a decent bit of sunshine. However, the ridge over the southeast will allow for a tropical wave to move toward the southeastern U.S. and potentially making landfall on Thursday evening or into the pre-dawn hours on Friday. More of that in the tropical update. Highs in the upper 80s to the mid-90s are expected, but those may be lowered by a few degrees if the recent model trends continue. With tropical moisture starting to flow westward on Friday from the landfalling wave, scattered showers and storms look to be possible over the southern third of central Alabama, while we may see an isolated shower somewhere over the northern two-thirds. Highs in the lower to mid-90s, but as stated for Thursday's forecast, these highs may be back down by a couple of degrees in later forecasts. With that deep tropical moisture in place throughout the upcoming weekend, scattered showers and storms will be possible over the southern half of the area on both days, and a few isolated showers can't be ruled out over the northern half. Saturday's highs will be in the lower to mid-90s, which will almost exactly match the forecasted highs on Sunday. Now looking at the tropics. A large area of disturbed weather is currently over Central America, the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, and the nearby waters of the northwestern Caribbean Sea and southern Gulf of Mexico. Within the next day or so, this system is expected to develop into a broad area of low pressure over the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. Conditions are favorable for gradual development, and a tropical depression or tropical storm is likely to form by midweek. This system will move slowly towards the western Gulf Coast. Whether or not the system develops, expect several days of heavy rainfall across parts of southern Mexico and Central America, which could lead to life-threatening flooding and flash floods. Heavy rainfall is also expected to reach the northwestern coast of the Gulf of Mexico by midweek. Gale warnings have been issued for parts of the Gulf of Mexico already. Formation chance within the next 48 hours is at 50%, and there's a 70% chance of formation within the next 7 days. Meanwhile, in the southwestern Atlantic Ocean, an area of low pressure is forecast to form a few hundred miles northeast of the central Bahamas in the next couple of days. While environmental conditions could support some development as it moves westward or west-northwestward, the system is expected to approach the southeast U.S. coast by Thursday or Friday. Formation chance within the next 48 hours is near 0%, but it increases to 30% over the next 7 days. That's your weather forecast for the week ahead, Central Alabama. I'm meteorologist Scott Martin. Stay safe and God bless.